Pharmaceutical costs in the United States are higher than in any developed country. What does that mean? Consumers around the world are paying much less than consumers in the United States.
If we had handled the prescription drug challenge the way many other countries do and the way our opponents tonight suggest, we would see fewer innovations and we'd wait longer for them.
The pharmaceutical industry is the most profitable industry in the United States. They could use with a little less profits and still have plenty of incentive to do all that research.
The need for future innovation is clear. Drug costs, though, are not unsustainable. Disease and the cost associated with disease in this country is what is unsustainable.
We want innovation. All of us want innovation. That doesn't mean we want sky-high $150,000 drug prices. Those are two separable issues.
Lori Reilly.
Yeah. Zeke, drugs today, more than any other part of the healthcare system, are in part based on value. We have to do lengthy clinical trials where the safety and efficacy products of our medicines are put to test. We then have to go in front of the payers and demonstrate to them the value that our medicines will provide to them. They don't have to cover our medicines if they don't want to. But I will say our system...
But you have a monopoly and then set the prices.
Let her finish.
We are moving towards a system of value, and a number of our companies have stepped forward and said we're willing to engage in contracts that are focused on outcomes.
Pharmaceutical companies aren't transparent about prices. A great way for us to instill some competition into the pharmaceutical market is for us to all, as consumers, have an assessment of these prices, what's going into them, how much research dollars are driving into the cost, how much marketing dollars are driving into the cost. But they won't share that information with us because they think that's information only they should have. If you believe in markets, you should believe in transparency. And if you believe in transparency, you should believe that consumers should be able to evaluate that.
You guys are singling out drugs like they're widgets. So let's just push down the price here on this thing, and it could turn out that then someone is in worse health later because you're not using the technology that's most efficient to get to where you say you want to go. What other industry do you want to be more profitable than the one that's attempting to get a cure for HIV?